Hey, this is Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and our bike of the week this week is a 2006 Heritage Softail. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope that you have a great day. So today I was thinking, what would be a good bike for a pirate? And that's what led me to have this 2006 Heritage Softail as our bike of the week. This is in Deep Cobalt is the color. Has just under 40,000 K on it, and it has a lot of nice action has been done to it. 06 Heritage Softail features the twin cam engine, 88 cubic inch, and the 5-speed gearbox. Now the front lowers on the forks have been chrome. It has the chrome extra wind deflectors on it. Engine guard's been added on. Quick release rider backrest, quick release passenger backrest and rack. And these bags, so a lot of times bikes from this era, the Heritages, they get the saggy bags. These bags collapse. But these bags are in great shape. They're quick release. They've had the inserts put into them so that they keep their shape. This is a really, really nice bike. Very clean. It's available now, so come down, check it out, take it out for a test ride, and once again, happy Halloween.